Want to grow your wealth in crypto without spending 12 hours a day staring at candles and charts? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate crypto portfolio strategy for beginners entering the market in 2026. I'm going to show you how to build a set and forget portfolio that balances high growth potential with long-term stability. Whether you're a developer or a tech enthusiast, we've analyzed the latest trends across the TX ecosystem to bring you a blueprint that actually works. The core pillars, Diversification 101. First, you can't put all your eggs in one basket. A beginner's portfolio in 2026 should be split into three tiers: blue chips, mid caps, and speculative plays. Your blue chips, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are your foundation. They provide the stability your portfolio needs during volatility. Mid-caps are where you find established projects with real utility, often within the TX ecosystem, providing a bridge between safety and growth. Finally, speculative plays are the moonshots. Keep these to a small percentage of your total holdings to manage risk. The set and forget method, DCA. The secret to avoiding emotional trading is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Instead of trying to time the bottom, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, weekly or monthly. This smooths out the purchase price over time and removes the stress of market crashes. If you want to dive deeper into the math of this strategy, check out the resources over at coherencedaddy.com. Maximizing yield with DeFi. Once your portfolio is set, don't let your assets just sit there. This is where DeFi comes into play. By using decentralized finance, or DeFi, you can stake your tokens or provide liquidity to earn passive income. The TX ecosystem is currently leading the charge in making these tools accessible for beginners. Just remember, always research the risk of a protocol before depositing your funds. Not all DeFi yields are created equal. Security and rebalancing. A strategy is only good if your funds are safe. Never keep your entire portfolio on an exchange. Use a hardware wallet for your long-term holdings and only keep trading capital on the exchange. Every quarter, check your allocations. If your speculative coins have skyrocketed, sell some to move profits back into your blue chips. This rebalancing ensures you lock in gains and maintain your risk profile for the rest of 2026. Build a tiered portfolio: blue chips, mid caps, and speculative assets. Use DCA to remove emotion and time your entries effectively. Leverage DeFi within the TX ecosystem to grow your holdings passively. Crypto doesn't have to be a full-time job. With the right strategy, you can build wealth while you sleep. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button to join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're bullish on the TX ecosystem this year. Comment below, what's the one coin you're holding for the long term in 2026?